Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best multimedia player on the market right now, the ByDiffer 4K Ultra HD digital media player. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home entertainment setup or enhance your digital signage solutions, this compact yet powerful device promises to deliver. Let's explore why it's generating so much buzz. At its core, the ByDiffer 4K Ultra HD digital media player is designed to transform any TV or monitor into a powerhouse of multimedia entertainment. It supports stunning 4K resolution playback at 30 Hz, ensuring crystal clear visuals, whether you're streaming movies, viewing photos, or presenting slideshows. Despite its small size, this player packs a punch with its H.265 HEVC decoding technology, which not only enhances image clarity but also reduces buffering, ideal for seamless playback of high-definition content. Connectivity is key, and the ByDiffer doesn't disappoint. It features dual USB 2.0 ports, accommodating a range of storage devices from USB flash drives to external hard drives up to 8 TB in size. Plus, with HDMI and AV outputs, you can enjoy up to 7.1 surround sound, making it perfect for both home theaters and professional environments. Whether you're a digital signage enthusiast looking to showcase dynamic content or a cinephile craving cinematic experiences at home, this player adapts effortlessly to your needs. Ease of use is another highlight. The ByDiffer comes with a remote control for convenient navigation through menus and playback options. It supports automatic playback and can resume videos from where you left off, a handy feature for uninterrupted viewing pleasure. Crafted from durable zinc alloy, this player not only looks sleek with its gray finish but also ensures efficient heat dissipation, prolonging its lifespan. Its compact size makes it portable, allowing you to take your multimedia experience wherever you go. To wrap it up, the ByDiffer 4K Ultra HD digital media player impresses with its robust features, versatile connectivity, and user-friendly design. Whether you're upgrading your home entertainment system or enhancing your business presentations, this player delivers on all fronts. If you're in the market for a reliable multimedia companion, look no further. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and product insights. Until next time, happy streaming!